Every morning is a new opportunity to reset your mindset and invite abundance into your life. How you start your day plays a crucial role in how the universe responds to you. What you say in the first moments upon waking can activate powerful forces that attract your desires. Are you ready to harness the power of your words and shape your reality? Let's look into the affirmations that can kickstart your day and manifest the life you've always wanted. The moment you open your eyes in the morning, express gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools to activate the law of attraction. It sends out a positive vibration into the universe and signals that you are open to receiving all the good things it has to offer. Simply saying, "Thank you for this new day," can shift your mindset from one of lack to one of abundance. When you start your day with gratitude, you are creating a magnetic field of positive energy around you. This energy attracts more reasons to be thankful, setting the tone for the rest of your day. You'll notice how opportunities, people, and situations align with your needs, and this is the universe responding to your gratitude. Don't just limit your gratitude to the big things. Acknowledge the small joys, like a good night's sleep, the warmth of the sun, or the love of those around you. These small gestures of thanks will compound over time and amplify the power of your words and actions. One of the most crucial aspects of manifesting is knowing that you are worthy of everything you desire. Start each morning by affirming your worth. Say to yourself, "I am worthy of love, success, abundance, and happiness." These words will help you tap into your inner power and raise your vibration. Affirming your worth is not about arrogance. It's about recognizing your value and allowing the universe to bring what's meant for you. Many people unknowingly block the flow of abundance by not believing they deserve the best. By stating your worthiness each morning, you remove that barrier and allow the flow of prosperity to enter your life. Repeat this affirmation with conviction. The more you believe in your worth, the more the universe will match your vibration. You'll start noticing that opportunities and circumstances align with the idea that you deserve the best. The words you speak create your reality. Each morning, declare what you want to manifest as if it's already yours. Instead of saying, "I want financial freedom," say, "I am financially abundant and all my needs are met." This declaration tells the universe that you are ready to receive. By speaking your desires aloud, you're sending a clear and powerful message to the universe. Your words are like magnets that attract similar energy, drawing to you the circumstances, people, and opportunities needed to fulfill your desires. Be specific about your intentions, as this helps the universe understand exactly what you want. The power of your words is undeniable. Saying these affirmations with feeling and belief makes them even more potent. Feel the emotions of gratitude and excitement as if your desires are already a reality, and watch how quickly things start to shift in your favor. Visualization is a potent tool for activating the law of attraction. After speaking your affirmations, close your eyes for a moment and vividly imagine your desires already coming to life. See yourself living the life you want, whether it's enjoying success, love, health, or happiness. Engage all your senses and feel the emotions of your vision as if it's happening right now. When you visualize, you align your energy with your intentions. Your mind doesn't differentiate between reality and what you visualize, so it treats your imagination as a blueprint for your life. The more you practice this every morning, the more your mind and energy will shift to support those visions. Visualization builds the confidence and belief needed to attract what you want. It reaffirms to the universe that you are not just hoping for these things, but are ready to receive them. Consistent visualization in the morning will keep your energy high and focused throughout the day, increasing the chances of your desires manifesting quickly. Often our biggest barriers to manifesting are the limiting beliefs we hold about ourselves and our possibilities. Every morning before you begin your day, take a moment to release any negative thoughts or doubts. Say, I release all limiting beliefs and open myself to infinite possibilities. This affirmation helps clear your mind of doubt and opens up new pathways for manifestation. Limiting beliefs can stem from past experiences, family conditioning, or societal expectations, but they no longer have a place in your life. By acknowledging them and releasing them every morning, you start your day with a clean slate. You free yourself from the restrictions that hold you back, allowing your true potential to rise. The act of releasing these beliefs is empowering. It's a reminder that you are not bound by the past and the future is yours to create. As you do this consistently, you'll notice a shift in your life as new opportunities and positive circumstances begin to unfold. After stating your intentions and desires, stay open to receiving them. Sometimes we block our own manifestations because we are too attached to how and when they should arrive. Every morning, affirm that you are open to receiving all the good the universe has for you. Say, I am open and ready to receive abundance in all forms. By staying open to receiving, you allow the universe to work in its mysterious ways. It may not always appear in the form you expect, but when you are open, you create space for unexpected blessings. This openness invites synchronicities and opportunities that might otherwise pass you by. Being open doesn't just mean receiving material things, it's about receiving love, knowledge, growth, and support. The more receptive you are, the more the universe will flow freely to you, delivering exactly what you need at the right time. Manifestation isn't just about speaking words into existence. It's about taking action when the time is right. Every morning, remind yourself to take inspired action toward your goals. Say, I am guided to take inspired action that aligns with my highest good. This simple affirmation encourages you to listen to your inner guidance and move forward with purpose. Taking inspired action means following the nudges and ideas that come to you during the day. Whether it's making a phone call, starting a project, or reaching out to someone, these small steps bring you closer to your goals. The universe responds to your actions, supporting your efforts and helping you manifest your desires. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Take action now. Even the smallest steps count. When you align your actions with your intentions, the universe will work alongside you to bring your vision to life. Patience is essential when working with the law of attraction. Every morning, remind yourself that things are unfolding in the perfect timing. Say, I trust in divine timing, and I know that everything I desire is coming to me at the perfect moment. This affirmation helps you release any urgency or impatience and trust that the universe is working behind the scenes. Divine timing means that things will unfold exactly when they are meant to. It's important to trust that even if you don't see immediate results, the universe is orchestrating everything in your favor. By surrendering to this trust, you create less resistance and allow things to flow naturally. When you trust in divine timing, you release control and allow the universe to work in its own way. This shift in mindset brings peace and reassurance, knowing that everything is coming to you at the right time. The way you speak to yourself influences how you experience the world. Every morning, affirm your positive self-worth and capabilities. Say, I am capable, strong, and deserving of all the good that comes my way. Positive self-talk empowers you to face challenges with confidence and stay aligned with your goals. When you maintain a positive dialogue with yourself, you increase your self-esteem and resilience. Your inner words create your outer reality, so it's essential to nurture yourself with kindness and encouragement. The more positive you are, the more positive experiences you attract. This practice also helps you stay grounded in your intentions, even during tough moments. It reminds you that you are capable of overcoming obstacles and manifesting the life you desire. At the end of your morning routine, take a moment to feel deep gratitude for the manifestations that are already on their way. Close your eyes, place your hand over your heart, and express gratitude as if everything you've asked for has already arrived. Feel the emotions of joy, fulfillment, and excitement. When you feel gratitude deeply, you align your energy with the frequency of your desires. Gratitude is a magnetic force that attracts more reasons to be thankful, multiplying the positive energy in your life. The universe responds to your feelings, so the more you can embody the emotions of already having your desires, the faster they will manifest. Gratitude amplifies the power of your words and intentions, accelerating the manifestation process. It strengthens your connection to the universe and prepares you to receive more blessings. Starting your day with powerful affirmations and intentional thoughts activates the law of attraction and sets you up for a day of success and fulfillment. The words you speak, the energy you emit, and the actions you take will all align with your desires. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you'll begin to see how your intentions are reflected in your reality. Keep trusting the process, stay positive, and watch as the universe works its magic. If you enjoyed this content, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more empowering tips on manifesting your best life. Your dreams are closer than you think, and every morning brings you one step closer to them.